Hey everybody, I'm Mezzy Shredder. Welcome to my channel. I make understanding things on the guitar easy. And today I'm going to show you how to double your skills in half the time. I'm going to show you the 3 up 1 down method. It allows me to play 12 strings instead of 6. So I'm going to demonstrate it first with an A minor pentatonic scale, picking through that scale. I'm in drop C, so I need to move my low E string over a whole step. Going backwards. Now, let me explain. 3 up, 1 down just simply does 3 strings going down. I'm on 4, I come up to 5, and I do 3 more. Now I'm on 3, I come up to 4. I come up from 2 to 3, and I'm done. That's 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get that? And it's the same thing on the way back. Okay, so that's an easy way to just double up everything you're doing 12 times instead of 6. Now, if I was going to practice hammer-ons, I would do it like this. You can start with all down picks, it doesn't matter, and then when you get comfortable, you can just alternate pick it, up and down if you want. And that's how this works. So if I was going the other way, I would just do it the other way. It's just a hammer-on version, so it's 3 again. I come up 1. I come up 1 again. 1 again. That's 3 up, 1 down. Doubling your amount of times you're doing everything. 12 instead of 6. You get twice as much to practice in half the time. I hope this helps you guys speed up whatever you're learning and speeds up your picking process and just allows you to gain skills quicker. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.